As industries move toward real-time automation and connected intelligence, a new model of smart manufacturing is emerging, the AI factory. It's where intelligence, automation, and data converge into a self-learning ecosystem that transforms sensor inputs into real-time action. At the heart of every AI factory are three connected layers that bring intelligence to the edge: AI inference, testing in digital twins, and automation and orchestration. Together, they enable factories to think, learn, and adapt autonomously. The first layer is where intelligence becomes action. Here, trained AI models process massive amounts of sensor and image data right at the edge, powering instant decisions for robotics, vision inspection, and quality control. Premio enables this with rugged, fanless edge computers built for industrial AI inference. With modular Edge Boost I/O, scalable GPU acceleration, and AI accelerators, these systems deliver real-time performance even in harsh environments. The second layer focuses on testing and digital twins, where intelligence is validated and refined. Digital replicas simulate factory conditions to optimize performance and predict outcomes before deployment. Premio's GPU-powered systems and on-prem AI servers handle intensive modeling and data replay, while ECO supercapacitor backups ensure continuity and reliability during testing. The third layer, automation and orchestration, manages and secures distributed AI systems after deployment. It synchronizes devices, updates firmware, and maintains uptime across every node. Premio simplifies this with out-of-band management for remote recovery, industrial 5G for reliable connectivity, and TPM 2.0 for hardware-level protection. From edge inference to orchestration, Premio builds a rugged computing foundation that powers the AI factory. At the edge, Premio's Jetson-powered JCO series brings intelligence to life, delivering GPU-accelerated AI in a fanless, compact system designed for robotics, inspection, and vision analytics in the most demanding environments. For high-performance industrial workloads, the RCO series stands as our super-rugged x86 platform, combining 13th-gen Intel Core processing with modular Edge Boost expansion to scale performance and connectivity where it matters most. When efficiency and flexibility meet, you find the BCO series, a semi-rugged, power-optimized solution perfect for automation, kiosks, and space-conscious industrial deployments. For GPU-intensive applications like simulation and multimodal AI, the VCO series delivers ultimate power, featuring PCIe Gen 4 expansion and dual GPU configurations to accelerate even the most complex visual computing tasks. Compact yet capable, the DCO series redefines control cabinet computing with a DIN rail form factor that fits anywhere, offering low power consumption and flexible I/O for seamless industrial automation. On the factory floor, Premio's industrial panel PCs serve as the interface between humans and machines. Rugged, IP-rated touch systems that provide real-time visibility, intuitive HMI control, and reliability in every environment. And behind it all, the LLM series servers bring AI training closer to the edge, with dense CPU and GPU architectures built for secure, on-premises model development and hybrid inference. The AI factory represents the next step in industrial evolution, where data, automation, and AI work together seamlessly. With Premio's rugged edge and on-prem platforms, factories don't just operate, they evolve. Visit premioinc.com for more information.